Hi, I'm John Kursky, and in this video, I'm going to show you about a potential issue when sorting and removing duplicates in Power Query. All right, to talk about this potential issue, let's take a look on the screen here. Now, I've got a sample Power BI model in which I've ingested several different files from SharePoint. And what I'd like to do is, based on modification date, if I sort it, which you can see right here, I'm sorting it by the modified date in descending order, and then I'm going to remove the duplicates. Seems pretty simple and straightforward, but there is a potential issue. So if I was to take this code and paste it into Power Query Lint, you're going to see that when this issue crops up, it's saying, hey, you need to use table.buffer before table remove duplicates to preserve sort order. Now, the interesting thing about Power Query is when you do that sort, that's happening in a streaming fashion. And so if you're removing duplicates and you're hoping to preserve sort order, you need to buffer that whole table in order for that sort order to preserve. So just by going back to Power Query and adding in table.buffer up here, and let me go to a model that's got this set up. All I've done is wrap the table.buffer function around table.sort. And if I load the files and compare the two tables, same file, one with a buffer and one without a buffer. So the one on the left has no buffer applied. You see that if I sort it by modification date and I did the remove duplicates, I'm getting stuff in that August time frame. Whereas if I'm looking at the one that I used the buffer in and I have it sorted, notice that the dates are later. And so that's because when I use table.buffer with the sort, I've got it preserving the sort order. And that's a trick, or not a trick, a potential issue that we've run into quite a bit when we have new team members working with Power BI, thinking that sort order is preserved. And we've included that in Power Query Lint. So I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more information about rules in Power Query Lint.